Hey there, YarnYAYers, it's Vickie here to show you how to do the two sort of unique stitches that help make up the honeycomb stitch that we're using for our baskets or our planter covers. All right, so other than straight up knit and purls, there's a couple different terms that you might see or that you will see in the pattern. There will be a KB, and what that means is you are going to knit into the stitch, but instead of the traditional way that you'd work a knit stitch by inserting your needle into the loop from front to back, we're going to be working one level down underneath the little turtleneck, so in the hole underneath the turtleneck of the stitch below. And then you'll just knit that as you normally would knit a stitch. And you'll see that what you have to do is drop the loop off of the needle. It'll feel a little funky, but that's exactly what you want. All right, and then you knit one. Okay, let's try that again. So we're going to insert our needle through the space right below the stitch above, knit, and let them both drop off. Okay, so the way that we counteract that, what we've just done, happens on the next row, or round rather, and that is what I'm calling for this pattern a PB tog. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be purling two together, but it's all the same stitch. The B stands for bar. So this little bar that's created by how we knit in the row below and the stitch in the row below is what we're going to be working together with our regular stitch. So we're going to insert our right hand needle from back to front, and you'll see that you'll get this little bar, right? And then you want to put it on your left hand needle. So now it's nestled against the stitch that is in the current row, and those are the two that you want to purl. Just realized that I was caught up in my tripod, sorry. Purl those two together. All right, then we're going to purl the next one. Let me show you again. So we take the tip of our needle, we grab the little bar, place that loop on the needle next to the next stitch, purl them together. I'm going to show you one more time. Take our needle, lift the bar, place the bar, purl the bar together with the stitch. And those are the two sort of unique stitches that help make up the overall pattern. The pattern will show you that it is just repeat rows of 4 rows, and you're alternating when you do each of those techniques throughout. All right, if you have any questions, please just post them in the comment section. Thanks.